मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, आज हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो। आज का जो सब्जेक्ट है वो हमारा होगा हिमाचल जीके से कंसर्न। और हिमाचल जीके के क्वेश्चन आपको लगभग 4 से लेके 8 क्वेश्चन आपको एग्ज़ाम के अंदर मिल सकते हैं, टीजीटी एग्ज़ाम के अंदर। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज हम देखेंगे बजट के बारे में। तो हिमाचल प्रदेश बजट 2020-21 इंपॉर्टेंट हाईलाइट्स। तो 2021 के बीच में जो मेन हाईलाइट्स हैं हमारे लिए बजट में वो क्या क्या है देख लेते हैं। The state will celebrate Himachal Pradesh Swarna Jayanti in 2020 to 21, 15 years of completion. State will celebrate Himachal Pradesh Swarna Jayanti कब से कब तक और कितने सालों का? 50 year of the completion. The growth rate of state economy is expected to be 5.6% during the 2019 to 20. Next, rupees 7,900 crore proposed for the annual plan 222-21. Important है ये भी. Under MLA priorities per constituency limit for posing DRPSC increased to rupees 120 crore. Next, under विधायक क्षेत्र विकास निधि योजना the allocation increased to rupees 1.7 crore and discretionary grant of honorable MLAs increased to 10 lakh. Next, MLAs and government gazetted classes, first and second officers and other better of sections urged to surrender food subsidy under the PDS voluntarily. Next, under the Grihani Suvidha Yojana, LPG connections will be provided to new families which are eligible for the faculty. Krishi Kosh of rupees 20 crore created to support FPOs. Krishi se Sampann Yojana KSY started to promote hing and saffron cultivation. 20,000 hectare land to be brought under the natural farming during the 2020 to 21. Nadon medium irrigation project will be commissioned. 111 minor irrigation schemes with a cost of rupees 338 crore to be completed and 4 new schemes with a cost of 87 crore approved by the Government of India under the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sanchai Yojana. Next, command area of already commissioned irrigation scheme will be developed under CAD. New scheme Krishi Utpad Sarakshan Anti-Hail Net Yojana Kushi to be started to provide 50% assistance for steel or bamboo structures for supporting anti-hail net. मधु उत्पादन एवं प्रकाशन योजना MUPY for value addition to be beekeeping activity started. Next, new scheme Mehak to plant and process aromatic plant started. Next, free insemination to be started in 3,300 village in 11 districts. Health of Jersey female cow to be followed up under a new program in Kangra district. 1 cow sanctuary and 1 large cow southern will be established in non-tribal districts. Subsidy on the breeding ram to be given to be beneficiary of all categories. New scheme Him Kukut Plan Yojana Himkupi to be started to increase the poultry farming. Mobile Pashu Chikitsa Seva moves will be started on pilot basis to provide veterinary service at the doorstep of the farmers. Procurement price of milk increased by 2 per liter. New scheme Parvat Dhara to rejuvenate water sources and recharge aquifers started. Forest Department to implement this scheme in forest areas. 2,000 Lok Mitra Kendra will be established. New scheme Unnati to skill Manrega workers and another scheme Panchvati to construct path and garden in rural area started. 500 panchayat of the state will be made solid waste free. 5 lakh award to each panchayat which be free from consumption of tobacco. Plantation to be done on 12,000 hectare land. 5,000 Chandan spalings will be propagated by the forest department. The budget has outlined a specific roadmap for quality in education. Swarna Jayanti Gyanodaya Cluster Shit Rishitra Vidyalaya Yojana Ganodaya started for elementary education. New scheme Swarna Jayanti Utkrisht Vidyalaya Yojana Utkrisht, under which facilities would be improved in 68 school of higher education department. 9 college has Utkrisht college would be developed with improved facility. Math lab to be established in 15 school. A new Swarna Jyoti Super 100 scheme will be started to encourage meritorious youth for admission to professional courses. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Cluster University is to be developed as an affiliating university. Financial help of rupees 1500 per month to be given to MDR TB patient. Financial assistance under the Sahara increased to rupees 3000 per month. Under 108 ambulance service scheme, 100 new ambulance will be purchased. A new scheme, Samman for destitute, will cover their treatment in hospitals. Budget allocation of rupees 100 crore for free medicine will be made. Free Ayurvedic medicine to old people above the age of 60 years will be provided. Budget of 100 crore for smart city project will be provided. Next, award to Nagar Parishad and Nagar Panchayat for sanitation. Next, grants for urban local bodies increase from rupees 61.74 crore to 207 crore. The cantonment area of the state will also get this grant for first time. Next, disaster migration fund with an initiation outlay of 15 crore will be created. Next, all the household of the state to be provided piped drinking water facility before 2024 under Jal Jeevan Mission. Next, 1 lakh household will be provided pipe water connection in 2022-21. Improved water supply to be provided in 14 urban cluster in the first phase. Next, Himachal Pradesh Investment Promotion Agency to be established to facilitate new investment. Next, Him Startup Yojana, Him Soup, started to enable the youth to start their own enterprises. Next, under the Paramparik Hatkarg Evam Hatship Cluster Prosahan Pariyojana Parampara cluster will be established to promote local handloom and handicraft. Rupees 58 crore will be spent on the project. Under Mukaya Mantri Swavlamban Yojana, widows will be eligible for 35% subsidy. During 2020 to 21, hydroelectric projects of 515 megawatt capacity will be commissioned and new project of 394 megawatt capacity will be started. The bona fide resistant of HP will be provided subsidy of 2000 per kilowatt for executive solar project of 250 to 500 kilowatt capacity. 1000 household in Pangi Valley to get 250 watt solar off-grid solar panel each. A craft and tourism mela on pattern of Surajkund International Fair will be held in the state. Institute of Hotel Management in Dharamshala and Food Craft Institute in Sundarnagar to be established. Pre-World Cup of Indian National Open Paragliding Championship in Birbiling and Asian Rafting Championship on River Beas to be organized. Next, efforts to be made to ensure connecting remaining 39 panchayat with road to ensure that no panchayat remain unconnected. Policy to provide wayside amenities along highway will be framed. Construction of 925 kilometers of motorable roads, cross drainage on 900 kilometer roads, MIT on 1800 kilometer roads, construction of 75 bridges and connectivity to 90 village will be achieved in 2020-21. A center of excellence to be established to Vaknaghat, Solan at cost of 155 crore. 19 ITIs of state will be strengthened. Sub-division level accredited journalists will be provided laptops. A new Swasth Bachpan scheme launched for pre-primary classes. Bal Poshahar Top-up Yojana will supplement existing food in Anganwadi to reduce malnutrition. An awareness program wo din to start for awareness of menstrual hygiene. 5 Integral Rehabilitation Center of Addicts IRCA will be established with the assistance of GOAL. 50,000 additional person to get benefit to society security pension of widows and Divyangjan will be increased to rupees 1000 from present to 850 pm. A total of 1 lakh and to 75,000 person will benefit from it. Inland water transport service will be started from Tattapani to Salapur. Baglamukhi Mandi ropeway and Nala Kanda to Hathumata temple ropeway will be started under PPP mode. 5 new heliports will be constructed in the state of facilitate heli taxi service. Necessary step will be taken to expand existing airport at Kangra and Shimla. Land acquisition process to be started soon for Greenfield Airport at Mandi. Budgetary provision of rupees 1013 crore has been made for expansion of airport, construction of airport and Mandi and construction of 5 heliports. Houses for 5100 families under Swarna Jayanti Ashraya Yojana. In addition to this, 4,900 families belonging to other category will be provided housing facility under the various other urban and rural हाउसिंग स्कीम्स. थैंक यू सो मच. वीडियो को ज़्यादा से शेयर कीजिए और नेक्स्ट हिमाचल जीके को लेकर मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपसे कंटिन्यू करते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.